Hey everybody, welcome back to Wilson Poultry. Today we have for you a 3-week update on the chicks, so let's go check them out. Open. Yeah.
Ew.
Alright guys, we're here with the chicks. As you can see, they've gotten a lot bigger. We're going through more feed. We're going through about 15 gallons of water a day. As you can see, we are starting to fill up this brooder. I think we're at max capacity right now with just how big these chicks have gotten. We did wait about a week, about a half week longer than needed. And that is due, we had a lot of cold weather. And we didn't want to put them out their first day, the first night outside in 30 degree weather. But we're looking at pretty good weather coming up this week, so good time to harden them off. We are going to be putting them out to pasture in this video, so stay tuned for that. Alright everyone, so it was a little bit loud in there, so we moved out here to show y'all the style of tractor that we're going to be putting the birds into. Showing it to y'all now because when we put them in there tonight, it's going to be dark. This style of tractor is based off of Joel Salatin's method. We move it every day. Hold me. Okay. So we move this tractor every day with the dolly that I have welded up. Basically what the dolly does is it kind of just slips underneath the back and it lays down, putting it on wheels, and then I just grab from the front, pick it up, and I move it just one space. And that way every day they're going to get new grass, fresh pasture, and just a new place to hang out. See you tonight when we put them in the tractor. We're looking at about, pumpkin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.